Hello there, I'm Yoli Medina, civil attorney, and today I wanted to do a video on Bryan's arrest in Pennsylvania, his hometown, where he was arrested at his family home. One of the things that's always bothered me is how he was arrested, with the cops swarming down on him in the early morning hours, breaking glass. And I've always had an issue with that. And so I decided to look at the documents, and there is a criminal case open in Pennsylvania for Bryan Kohberger, and it's the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Kohberger. And I'm going to look into show you some documents that a document that I found that is called a police criminal complaint. And let me post it here, share the screen with you. Okay. So here is the document that I'm referring to. And if you see the highlights, well, at the top it says police criminal complaint. And then at the top it has a date of 12/30/2022. And then it says the offense, which he is charged with, is highlighted as section 9134, subtitle or title 42. Okay. So I want to read, we'll go into that statute in a minute, but I want to read what is on this police criminal complaint. It says, in that on or about said date, the defendant, having been charged with the commission of any crime from another state, or having been convicted of a crime in another state, and having escaped from confinement, or having broken the terms of his or her bail, probation, or parole, and having been declared a fugitive of justice from said state, the defendant has been located within or is believed to be within the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Okay, I don't know about you, but that sounds to me like he was arrested as a fugitive, which means, and we'll look at the statute. Hang on a second. Let me pull up the statute that I found. And here is the statute. And I'm going to have to read it on here. Okay, so the statute says, it's 42, section 914, and it's arrest prior to requisition. It says, whenever any person within this Commonwealth shall be charged on the oath of any credible person before any judge or issuing authority of this Commonwealth with the commission of any crime in any other state, and except in cases arising under 9127, and those cases are listed in parentheses, it says, relating to extradition of persons not present in demanding state at the time of commission of the crime. Well, at the time of the commission of the crime, allegedly, if Bryan committed the crime, he was in the state, so 9127 does not apply. So let's read that again without having to read the parentheses. Whenever any person within this Commonwealth shall be charged on the oath of any credible person before any judge or issuing authority of this Commonwealth with the commission of any crime in any other state, with having fled from justice, or having been convicted of a crime in that state, and having escaped from confinement, or having broken the terms of his bail, probation, or parole, or whenever complaint shall have been made before any judge or issuing authority in this Commonwealth, setting forth on the affidavit of any credible person in another state that a crime has been committed in such other state, and that the accused has been charged in such state with the commission of the crime, and again, except in cases arising under 9127, which doesn't apply here, has fled from justice or with having been convicted of a crime in that state and having escaped from confinement or having broken the terms of bail, probation, or parole, and is believed to be in this Commonwealth, the judge or issuing authority shall issue a warrant directed to any peace officer commanding him to apprehend the person named therein wherever he may be found in the Commonwealth and bring him before the same or any judge, any other judge, or issuing authority who or which may be available in or convenient of access to the place where the arrest may be made to answer the charge or complaint and affidavit, and a certified copy of the sworn charge or complaint and affidavit upon which the warrant is issued shall be attached to the warrant. Okay, so I'm reading this and I'm thinking that they arrested him as a fugitive. And I thought he went home for Christmas, for the Christmas holiday. So I'm not sure why it says that he was a fugitive. And that's how I'm reading this. But in any event, the documents are in the docket. And I'll post it in the description box, the docket for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Kohberger. And you can look at the documents there. They have the search warrants and things like that. And I saw this police criminal complaint and I looked at it. And so they have him as a person who fled justice, which I'm not so sure that is accurate, because the arrest warrant wasn't signed until December 29th or December 30th, one of those days. But it wasn't signed till the end of December. So he left mid-December. So he left because he was going to his home for the holidays and he traveled back with his father. So I'm not sure why this is, and I'm not sure because I don't practice criminal law, so I may be completely wrong, but I'm putting this out there because I'm wondering if there's a way to do a motion to suppress this arrest warrant because of the fact that he wasn't a fugitive. He wasn't fleeing any charge. He wasn't charged when he left. So I'm just wondering if there would be a motion to suppress this entire arrest warrant in Pennsylvania. Now, I'm sure if there was a way, it probably would have been done already. But, it still doesn't obviate the arrest warrant in Idaho, in Moscow, Idaho. But the way he was arrested, I'm wondering if there's a way to suppress any evidence that they obtained when they arrested him based on the fact that they did not have probable cause to arrest him as a fugitive. At least that's how I'm seeing it. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I may be totally off base, but those are my thoughts. And if any criminal attorney experienced in this takes a look at my video, comment below and let me know what you think. If I'm totally off base or if I might be onto something. Okay, thank you.